Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. And hello to everyone listening wherever you are. I'm Alex, and welcome to Day 17 of the 30-Day English Confidence Challenge.
Yay! We're well into week 4 now. And this week is all about one of everyone's favorite topics, food.
Honestly, I think this might be my favorite week of the whole challenge.
Really? More than talking about pets?
Oh, that's difficult. Max might be a little upset if I say food comes first.
Don't let him hear this episode then. So, how's your week going, Alex? Have you been surviving on coffee like always?
Of course. I don't think I've had enough coffee yet today.
Oh, really? How many cups have you had?
Let me think. One before work, one during my morning break, and one this afternoon.
That's already 3. I only have 1 cup in the morning, and that's enough for me.
I know. I just love the smell of fresh coffee.
Today, we're talking about something most of us do every week, going to a cafe or a coffee shop.
Yes. Maybe you go before work. Maybe you meet a friend there.
Or maybe you just need coffee to wake up.
That's me.
I knew you'd say that.
I don't even speak properly before my first coffee.
Same.
Seriously, my colleagues know not to ask me difficult questions before 9 o'clock.
I believe that.
What about you? Do you go to cafes often?
I do, actually. Sometimes I work from a cafe for an hour or 2. It's nice to have a change of scenery.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. I usually bring my laptop, order a cup of green tea, and work quietly.
See, that's the difference between us.
Why?
You go there to work. I go there to drink coffee, eat cake, and people watch.
People watch?
Yes, it's fun watching people come and go.
That's actually true. Every cafe has its regular customers.
Exactly. There's always someone reading a book.
Someone working on a laptop. And someone chatting with friends.
And someone standing in line trying to decide what to order.
Which brings us to today's lesson. Ordering food and drinks in English can feel a little scary.
Especially if the cafe is busy.
Yeah, sometimes there's a long queue behind you and you feel nervous.
But don't worry. Today, we're going to teach you some simple phrases that native speakers use every day.
Let's start with the most important one. When you order something, it's much more polite to say, I'd like, or I would like.
Exactly. Instead of saying, I want a coffee, say, I'd like a coffee, please. It sounds much friendlier.
Let's practice. Imagine I'm standing behind the counter. I smile and say, Welcome to Emma's Coffee House.
Nice name.
Thank you. So, what would you like today?
I'd like a large black coffee, please.
Perfect. That sounds very natural.
Now it's your turn. What do you usually order?
Most of the time, I'd like a medium green tea, please.
No coffee?
Not in the afternoon. If I drink coffee too late, I won't sleep very well.
That's the difference between us. I can drink coffee at 8 o'clock at night and still fall asleep.
I don't know how you do that.
Years of practice.
And you can sleep after that?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Cafes usually ask another question after you order.
Yes, they often ask, what size would you like?
Normally, you can choose small, medium, or large.
I almost always choose large.
I'm not surprised.
More coffee, more happiness.
I usually order a medium. It's just the right amount for me.
Besides drinks, cafes usually have something to eat as well.
That's right. Maybe a croissant, a muffin, a cookie, or a slice of cake.
Those are perfect with a hot drink.
So, if you're hungry, you can simply add another sentence.
For example, I'd also like a blueberry muffin, please.
Or, I'd like a cheese sandwich, please.
Notice we keep using the same polite phrase.
That's why it's so useful. Once you learn I'd like, you can order almost anything.
Coffee, tea, hot chocolate, cake, sandwiches, even breakfast.
One sentence can help you in so many situations.
And don't forget one small but very important word.
Please. I'd like a coffee, please. Simple, friendly, and perfect.
So, you've ordered your drink and maybe something to eat. What happens next?
Next comes the easy part. You pay.
That's right. The person at the counter will tell you the total price.
But what if you didn't hear them? Or maybe you couldn't see the menu? You can simply ask, how much is it?
Or if you've ordered several things, how much is that? Both are very common.
The worker will reply, it's $5, or that'll be €4. Then you give them your money and say, thank you.
Yeah, don't forget, good manners. Always say thank you.
Let's do a real conversation. I'll be the barista.
Okay, and I'll be the customer.
Good morning. How are you? What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a large black coffee, please.
Certainly. Would you like anything to eat?
Yes, please. I'd like a chocolate muffin, too.
Great. Anything else?
Nope, that's everything. Cheers. How much is it?
That's $6.50, please. Cash or card?
Cash. Here you are.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
See? That wasn't difficult at all.
Not at all. If you can remember just 3 expressions. I'd like. How much is it? And thank you. You'll do wonderfully.
And don't worry if your English isn't perfect. People will appreciate that you're trying.
Absolutely. Speak slowly. Smile. Be polite. That's much more important than speaking quickly.
Now, it is time for our vocabulary highlight. Let's explain 2 very important phrases from today's chat.
The first phrase is I would like. I-W-O-U-L-D-L-I-K-E. I would like.
This is the most polite way to say, I want. You should always use this in cafes, restaurants, and shops.
Yes. I would like a coffee. I would like a sandwich. Always add please at the end.
The second phrase is, how much is it? HOWMUCHISIT. How much is it?
This is the question you ask when you want to know the price of something. It is about money. For example, how much is this sandwich? How much is the coffee? How much is it? It's one of the most useful questions you'll ever learn in English.
Okay, everyone, it is time for our shadowing practice. Let's practice ordering at the cafe.
We will say a simple sentence. Then we will pause.
During the pause, you must speak out loud. Copy our pronunciation and our polite voice. Are you ready? Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. Hello, what would you like?
Sentence number 2. I would like a large coffee, please.
Sentence number 3. I would like a medium green tea.
Sentence number 4. Do you have any chocolate muffins?
Sentence number 5. How much is it?
Sentence number 6. Thank you. Have a great day.
Excellent! Those are real sentences you can use the next time you visit a cafe.
Exactly. They're simple, polite, and very natural. If you can say these confidently, you'll have no problem ordering food and drinks in English.
Try listening again later today and repeat the shadowing practice one more time.
You'll notice that each time, the sentences become a little easier and a little more natural.
And now it's time for our question of the day.
This is your English challenge for day 17.
Today's question is very simple.
What do you usually order at a cafe or coffee shop?
Imagine you're standing at the counter. What would you say?
Write your answer in the comments and practice using today's new phrases.
For example, you could write, I'd like a medium latte and a blueberry muffin, please.
Or, I usually order a large black coffee because I need lots of energy in the morning.
You could also write, I don't drink coffee. I'd like a hot green tea and a croissant, please.
There are no wrong answers. Just practice using English.
And remember our special rule. Type Day 17 completed at the end of your comment.
We love seeing your comments every day. It's wonderful to watch your confidence grow throughout this challenge.
Thank you so much for spending part of your day with us.
We hope today's lesson helps you feel more confident the next time you visit a cafe.
If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to Daily English Chats so you don't miss tomorrow's lesson.
And if today's episode helped you, don't forget to give it a like. It really helps more English learners discover our channel.
You can even share this episode with a friend and practice ordering food together.
Tomorrow is day 18, and we'll continue learning useful English for everyday life.
Until then, keep listening, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to speak English.
Every conversation is another chance to improve.
Stay confident and keep speaking English. Goodbye, Alex.
Goodbye, Emma.
Bye, everyone.
See you tomorrow.